Hi, this is Sherman Crancer, Senior Partner Development Manager for Microsoft. In studio, we have Tim Tetrick, Partner Technical Strategist. So Tim, help me understand, a partner wants to take servers and migrate them to the cloud, right? Or they're wanting to do some migration, but yet they don't know quite how to do it or whatnot. What kind of tool would be a great tool to use to help a partner really right-size the environment?
Yeah, so I have heard some great feedback from partners around a tool called CloudEyes. It is a great tool for when you have those on-premises workloads that you want to move to Azure. It's a great solution. What it does is you install it on that local workload, and that could be Hyper-V based, VMware based, physical machine based. It's going to run for a couple weeks and look at the true utilization of that machine and then right-size that into Azure. So based on the utilization of that workload, what is the right size of Azure VM, the kind of storage, the bandwidth I can expect, and then create a nice little ROI report that shows what that's going to look like in Azure. This is a great solution. We have promotions from time to time around free or reduced cost licenses. Check with us about that. Check with your disti about that, and it can help you out in your cloud migrations.
Great. Hey, that is a great explanation, of how to actually use it. Let the bot get in there, go for 2 weeks, and kind of like figure out really what is the right, utilization. What programs can be, actually brought over, and then start with kind of a hybrid environment. Thanks so much for coming in, Tim. Really appreciate it. Have a great day. Bye.